Okay, so I just cut the tape off so I can open it. So let's do an unboxing of the PokePower Box. So booster packs, vintage cards, chase cards, all that good stuff. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, nice. Okay, so there's our raffle ticket. Okay, we got a little mini here. We got some stickers. What else we got here? We've got Vivid Voltage, Evolving Skies. Subscribe and save. What else we got in here? We've got Sun and Moon, Chilling Rain. Fusion Strike. Ooh, Japanese, that's cool. And then we got Fusion Strike, Battle Styles. And what else we got in here? Okay, let's see what's in here. Just a moment. Okay. Hello, kitty. So let's see what we got here. We got a Mew. That's kind of cool. This thing here from the year 2000, it looks like. Ooh, and a shiny from 2020. Okay, well that was interesting. Alright, so that's what you can expect from one of these Pokebox things. Hey kitty cat, say bye. Meow.